The paper project was a huge success, not only for the member states who were involved, but also for the and the European Commission decided to have a follow-up project that was called eSENS in the wake of the paper project as well as for LSPs. This meant that in 2013 a new project was initiated, again bringing in public procurement domain and eInvoicing. It was more or less about the reuse of building blocks. So making the consolidation of building blocks and making sure that all were using the same thing. For eInvoicing, this meant that the piloting was in the project was not really done on the standards. The new European law for eInvoicing was not in place, so we did piloting on the infrastructure components, which meant that we were testing, for instance, on AS4 and reusing those components. But I'll come back to that in a short while. Here I include this so you can see which past LSPs was included for eSENS. Basically, the European Commission merged these 5 LSPs into one, and in order to create interoperability, not just in one domain, but in 5 different domains, and with the same core sort of building blocks. This is the big picture. So you can see that that the project was in 2008-12, and as you remember, in the same years that Denmark and Sweden was introducing the different mandatory building blocks, so the big this. Other projects was using also building blocks similar to this, and going forward. Just to give you an overview. In March this year, eSENS was concluded, finalized, and most of the services and building blocks was handed over to the European Commission for further development, which support. As mentioned, eInvoicing was testing the Open Pebble document standard with the Pebble disk on new infrastructure components, especially the eSENS eDelivery S4. And we can see now that a good number of those who participated in the past LSPs or eSENS have now applied for testing eInvoicing. There are some different funding mechanisms in place to CEF where you can apply for funding in order for you to implement different so that's a way for you to get funding. We just had a call finished up close here on the 28th of November, so I didn't do any slides on this. We will have a new call next year on the eInvoicing, and also there are calls around eDelivery that you can apply for. Yes. I include this slide also with some links where you on CEF Digital can find the different implementations of conforming solutions of AS4. In which you can engage them and